now I can cut that in. I'm just going to take my 2-inch throwaway paintbrush. That's all I'm going to do. Let's see here, get some on here. Try not to get it all in the stucco. And if you get some on, hey, that's okay. Another reason why I didn't caulk it yet. I can caulk, once I caulk it, that'll cover up some of my imperfections up against the wall. But overall, that caulking, I thought it would stick a little better over the primer instead of over the fix-it-all. I don't know if it will or not. Might not matter. Might not matter at all. But, you know, make a decision and go for it. That's what I say. That's what I say. This would be a good time for you to experiment with figuring out how to cut in with the paintbrush, especially if you don't feel real comfortable cutting in. Just try a smaller paintbrush. Don't try cutting in for the first time with a 4-inch or a 3-inch paintbrush. Try a paintbrush that you feel comfortable using. This is a nice, easy one to work with. Just a little throwaway paintbrush. It still works. No problem. I've got to paint underneath that edge too, dabbity nabbing. Well, hey, this second step is pretty much dry. See, it's already dry. So I can hit up underneath there. In fact, I should have taken my roller and just done this. I want that underneath edge to get hit too. Okay. Don't worry about anything else. This is your day to do some painting. Slide it along. And then I can roll the roller over a little bit and get some other paint on there, because you're not going to get your cover all the way. So now I can turn it where I know there's more paint, and now I can do it some more. Move down a step or two further, so it's a little bit easier for me to get my paintbrush up under there. So I don't get my bill on there. You might think, man, this is going to take you a while, Joe. Well, that's all right. I don't mind. Okay, it's got to take me a while. Big whoop. Big whoop. Whoop-de-doop. There we go. Now I can see what I'm doing. See, I'm down 1, 2, 3, 4 steps below this. That way I can see right where I need to go. I was up too high, and I can't see everything, right? Because I can see I missed a few spots. Now I can see them nice and easily. Check that first step. Man, don't think I got it yet, did I? Boy. Maybe I should do all these underneath steps first or something. My next go. I think I will. Yeah, I don't. Oh, I did hit that one. I haven't got mixed up there. I went down too far. So we're doing the second step instead of the first one. Look at that. Silly weenie. Now I can hit that. I didn't get it before. The whole thing. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.